The future of chatbot and ChatGPT. The field of artificial intelligence (AI) has seen rapid advancements in recent years, particularly in the area of language processing. With AI systems now able to understand, generate, and translate human language with increasing accuracy, it begs the question, will the advancements in AI language processing continue or reach a limit? On the one hand, the potential applications of AI language processing are vast and seemingly limitless. The possibilities are endless, from improved virtual assistants and chatbots to more advanced machine translation systems. Furthermore, with the increasing amounts of data available and advancements in computing power, the accuracy and capabilities of AI language processing systems are only likely to improve. However, some experts argue that there may be limitations to how far AI language processing can advance. For example, while AI systems can understand vast amounts of data, they may not address the nuances and complexities of human language and communication. There may also be limits to the ability of AI systems to understand and process figurative language, idioms, and cultural references. Moreover, there are also ethical considerations to take into account. AI language processing systems are only as good as the data they are trained on. And if that data contains biases or inaccuracies, these can be amplified by the AI system. This raises concerns about the potential for AI systems to perpetuate and amplify harmful stereotypes and prejudices. In conclusion, while the advancements in AI language processing are impressive, it remains to be seen whether there will be a limit to how far the technology can advance. As with any rapidly developing field, it is essential to approach AI language processing cautiously and consider the potential limitations and ethical implications. As the race to advance AI language processing continues, it will be crucial to strike a balance between the potential benefits and the potential risks. Unlock the power of AI. Like and subscribe to stay updated on the latest advancements in the world of technology.